Prepare to journey through the annals of time as we uncover the mind-blowing secrets of ancient civilizations. Today, we embark on a captivating journey through time, unraveling the secrets of ancient civilizations. Our quest begins with the legendary lost cities of history, shrouded in myth and mystery. From the fabled Atlantis to the mythical El Dorado, these cities have captured the imaginations of explorers and scholars for centuries. Join me as we explore the theories, evidence, and ongoing excavations that bring us closer to unraveling their elusive secrets. Prepare to be astonished as we delve into the advanced technologies of ancient civilizations. From the breathtaking pyramids of Egypt to the awe-inspiring architecture of the Incas, these remarkable achievements continue to baffle modern minds. Together, we'll examine the ingenious engineering, astronomical knowledge, and medical advancements that challenge our understanding of their capabilities. In this segment, we'll encounter artifacts that defy explanation, offering tantalizing glimpses into the past. Brace yourself for the enigmatic Antikythera mechanism, an ancient Greek device that astounds scientists with its intricate gears and celestial calculations. We'll also explore cryptic maps, intriguing carvings, and baffling artifacts that hold the potential to rewrite history. As we conclude our journey, we find ourselves with more questions than answers. What drove these ancient civilizations to achieve such incredible feats? Are there still undiscovered cities waiting to be unearthed? I invite you to share your thoughts, theories, and personal experiences in the comments section below and subscribe as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the past, present, and future. Have these cities been found? Where? When? And how? Subscribe to stay updated as we might explore these cities. Be part of the journey.